Welcome to Our Night Sky on astrocast.tv. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen, your guide to the starry night sky. July is high summer for Northern Hemisphere viewers, but it brings winter skies to folks in the Southern Hemisphere. No matter where you live, be sure and dress for the weather when you go out stargazing. And it's always a good idea to bring along binoculars or a small telescope if you have them. They'll help enhance your view. The planet Mercury leads off our planetary lineup for this month. Look for it in the west about 30 minutes after sunset throughout the first 3 weeks of the month. On the 2nd and 3rd of July, you can't miss the crescent moon as it makes an appearance close to Mercury. On Wednesday, July 6th, if you're up really early in the morning, look for the planet Mars near the bright star Aldebaran. You also can't miss the planet Jupiter. It's right nearby. The full moon occurs July 15th. A week later, the waning moon appears close to Jupiter in the early morning hours of July 24th. Now, we can't forget about Saturn. It's still a bright sight in the evening skies after sunset. Look for it not too far from the star Porrima. The most visible star constellations in July are easily visible a few hours after sunset, say around 10 p.m. If you're viewing from the Northern Hemisphere, look for the distinctive keystone shape of the constellation Hercules. Use a pair of binoculars to search out the Hercules star cluster. Not far away is brilliant Vega, the brightest star in the constellation Lyra the Harp. Skygazers in both hemispheres can search out the S-shaped outline of the constellation Scorpius, with the red-colored star Antares at its heart. Right next door is the constellation Sagittarius. The center of the Milky Way galaxy lies between Scorpius and Sagittarius. If you scan this part of the sky using binoculars or a small telescope, you'll find many star clusters and nebulae scattered among the stars of this region. As we work our way south, the familiar shape of the Southern Cross appears for Southern Hemisphere sky viewers. Not far away, you should be able to find the two bright stars Alpha and Beta Centauri. Alpha is a triple star system that lies just over 4 light-years from Earth, making it the closest star system to the Sun. Well, that's a small taste of what you can find on July nights. Take the time to really explore the sky when you're out there. You never know what you're going to find. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen for Our Night Sky, wishing you clear skies from astrocast.tv. Music for this episode of Our Night Sky comes from the new album Stella Novus from geodesium.com.